Subject Mathematics Standard 3rd. The topic for the day is fractions. So student, till previous videos you all have studied fractions part 1, fractions part 2 and fractions part 3. And now in this video we are going to see the word problems of fractions. Okay? What we have learned. Definition of fraction, what is half, what is quarter, what is 3/4 and a quarter, a half and 3/4 of a collection. So student, here definition of fractions. Let us have a quick recapitulation what you have learnt in previous class. Okay, small revision type. A fraction represents a part of a whole or more generally any number of equal parts. Student, you can see here the figure is given here. This one is whole, yes. 4 of them are whole, but a fraction represents a parts of a whole. Student, in first figure you can see it's a whole and in a green color. Okay, that is called 1. In second figure you can see it divided into 2 equal parts and one part is in white and one part is in color, that is in green color. So 1 whole upon 2, okay, means 1 whole. And how many parts were there? 2. So 1 upon 2. In third figure you can see student 1 whole and how many parts were there? Yes, when we divide the half into half. So we get 4 quarters here. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4 and the 4/4. Okay, so this is a 4. 1 upon 4. And here in the last figure, student, you can see, yes, 1 whole and of course 4/4. And you can see one is uncolored, means in a white color, and other 3, 1, 2, 3. This 3/4 in a, yes, in a color. So this 3. So 3 upon 4. 3 were color, yes, and 4/4. So 3/4 upon 4. Okay, 3 upon 4. Student, now here let us see example. Here what you can see, student? Yes, here is a whole pizza. Yes, what is the shape of a pizza here? Yes, a circle. Okay, means it's a whole pizza here. Okay, so let us give the name whole. Now student, now look at here. Now we have to divide this in 2 parts. Student, you know we can divide the whole in vertical also and horizontal also. Both the sides we can get a equal part. See here student. Yes, now it's a half of the pizza and here also 1/2 of the pizza. Okay. And student, now it is divided in which shape? Yes, in vertical. Yes, yes, it is a half, but now it is a vertical when I have divided into vertical. Okay. Now look at here. You can see one more cut here, the black color. So now the top and the bottom we will get. That is called horizontal. Look at here, student. Yeah, this is the top part of the pizza and this is the bottom of the pizza. Okay. So student, this is called a vertical. When we cut vertically, so we get like this 2 parts, and when we cut in a horizontal, so we get like this 2 parts. In vertical left and the right, and in vertical top and the bottom. Okay. So student, yes, you can see here a whole pizza. Yes, it's called a whole. Now I am going to divide this pizza into 2 equal parts. Okay, or we can say when we cut the pizza, then also we get 2 equal parts. Look at here, student. Now here the half part of the pizza and one more part of the pizza here. Okay. So student, again we cut this half into half. Look at here. Yes, we get one part, two part, and yes. Now here also we cut, then we get 1 and 2. So here how many parts you can see of the pizza? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Now come this side. Look at here. This is the one part of the pizza. This is the two part of the pizza. This is the three part of the pizza, and this is the one more part of the pizza. Okay. So you can see four parts. Yes. Now what this called, student, you know? Yes, it's called a quarter. One quarter of a pizza. This is the one more quarter of the pizza. This is one more quarter of the pizza, and this is one more quarter of the pizza. So student, here you can see 4 quarters of the pizza. So student, from this 4 quarter, if we take out 1 quarter, see. So how many quarters were remaining here? 1, 2, 3. Yes, so it's a 3-quarter here, student. You know, student, one more, a half and a quarter, it's also make 3 quarters. Okay, and when a quarter means here, when a quarter is taken away from a whole, then also it's called 3 quarters. Okay, student? Yes. Now look at here the other example for collection. What is this, student, here? Wow, it's a doll. Favorite of a girls. Okay, students. Girls, look at here, and boys also. Everyone. 1 doll, 2 doll, 3 and 4 dolls. So student, you can see here 4 dolls. Okay, the picture shows a collection of 4 dolls here. Okay. Now look at here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So student, when we are going to divide these 4 dolls into 2 equal parts, so how many dolls you will get in each part? Yes, 2 in the one part and the 2 other part. Look at here now. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, student, 4 here. Now, yes, 2 part, 2 equal parts, then the other 2. Yes, now we got here 4 parts, means 4 quarter. So in each part, how many dolls were there? 1, 2, 3, 4. And in the half, when we divide this 4 dolls into 2 equal parts, so we get 1, 2, 1, 2. So each part is a half of the collection of 2 dolls. And here also you can see 4 parts, and each part we have 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 doll. Okay. Now look at your student. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yes, student, here also 2 dolls in grey color and 1 is in a black color. See, 4 part we got. So student, a half, this is half and a quarter together make, yes, 3 quarters. Okay, as we know all that. Okay, 1, 2 doll, 3 and 4 dolls. Okay, here also so we are going to divide this. Again we divide, so we get 4 quarters here. So student, when a quarter is taken away, you can see, student, when a quarter is taken away from a whole, so we get how many quarters here? Yes, 3 quarters. Yes, or a 3-quarter part we can say. Okay, 1 quarter, 2 quarter and a 3 quarter. Yes, when a whole is taken away from her, yes, when a, so we get 3-quarter part. Okay, so student, here now let us see the word problem of fractions. Okay, using half, quarter, 3 quarters. Okay, study the following examples. The first sum here, the length of the school ground is 20 meters. half the length of the ground is half of 20 meters, which means 10 meters. A quarter of the length of the ground is 5 meters and 3/4 is 15 meters. Okay. Student, how do we get this now here? Look at here. 20 divided by 2 is equal to 10. Okay. A quarter of 5 meters. Again, a quarter of 5 meters is 10 divided by 2 is 5 is equal to 5. Okay. And 3/4 is 15 meters. So how we got that? Look at here. That is 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Now let us see this in detail. Okay, student, look at here. 20 divided by 2. Yes, in previous class also, in previous video students of division, I have explained you how to divide the sums. Okay. Now look at here student. 20 divided by 2. Okay. Student, here in 2 times table, if we see the first number we have to see. Yes. In 2 times table 2 goes. Okay. How many times it goes? Yes. 2 ones are 2. Yes. We have written here 2. Yes. Then 2 minus 2 is equal to 0 here. Okay. Then we have to go to other number. Here is the 0. Okay, student. So, in 2 times table 0 goes? No. But 2 zeros are 0. Yes. 2 zeros are 0. So, we will write here 0. Okay. So, student, here again we have to subtract here. 0 minus 0 is 0. Okay. So, 2 tens are 20. Okay. It means 20 divided by 2 is equal to 10. Okay. Then come this side now. Look at here. 10 divided by 2. Okay. So student, yes. 10 divided by 2. We have to see the first number here. Here is a 1. Okay. So in 2 tables 1 doesn't go. So 2 zeros are 0. 0 will come. We have to see the list number. Okay. 2 zeros are 0, we will write here 0. So 1 minus 0 is 1. We have written here 1. Okay. Then here, what is the number here? Yes, the 10 number now. Okay. So 2 5s are 10. Yes. Then again here, 0 minus 0 is 0 here. Okay. So student, here, so 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Okay. So we got here 0. Okay. And the last is this. 3/4 means that is 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Okay. Here the next some students now. 1 dozen bananas means 12 bananas. Half a dozen bananas means 6 bananas. Then 3/4 of a dozen bananas means 9 bananas. So how it is? Okay, student. Now let us find out. First look at here, student. 12 upon 6. Okay. Student, how we got here 6. Okay. Now let us find out that. Okay. First we will go through this one. Look at here. 6 bananas. Here you can see, student. 1 dozen bananas means 12 bananas. Okay. So here 6 bananas means half. Okay. If we do 12 ka half, then we will get 6 bananas. That is called half. Then plus 3 bananas. That is quarter. Okay. Then, so student, half plus quarter means, look at here down, students. A half and a quarter make 3/4. Okay, students, look at it. Means a half plus a quarter make 3/4. Okay. So here we will do the addition like 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Okay. So students, 6 bananas plus 3 bananas is equal to 9 bananas. Okay. So means half plus quarter is equal to It's 3/4. Understood? Half plus quarter is equal to 3/4. So student, that means 6 bananas plus 3 bananas is equal to 9 bananas. Okay? And here students, let us see in detail. 12 divided by 2. Okay? So student, 12 divided by 2 means here the number is 2 given. Yes. And what is the first number here? 1. So student, we have to see the list number. Below 1. Yes, below 1 is 0. In 2 table 1 doesn't go. Yes. So below number is 2 zeros are 0. So you have to write here 2 zeros are 0. Okay. And this one will come here only. And student, you know, this 2 we have taken here. Okay. With the help of arrow. So 12 here. So student, here 2 number. Yes. And the 1. So we will see now the 12 number. 12 number goes in 2 table. So let us read out. Let us recall the 2 table. Okay. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12. Okay. 2 6 are 12 we got here. Yes. So we have written here 12. Okay. So student, here look at here. 1 minus 0 is 1. Okay. Then here 12. 2 6 are 12 will come here. So 12 minus 12 means 2 minus 2 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay. So student, here the other sum now. Solve the following examples. Okay, solve the following example. The first sum of that. Anand is 8 years old today. Shruti is half as old as Anand. Then, how old is Shruti? Student, Anand, what is the age of Anand? 8 years. Okay, he is 8 years old today. Okay, and what we have to find out is that we have to see Shruti's age then. Shruti is half as Anand. Okay, so let us find out now how old is Shruti. Okay, so student, we have to divide that. 8 twos are. We have to see 8 twos are. Okay, here we have to divide that. Okay, we have to see that in 2 time tables 8 goes on. Okay, so let us count. Let us recall 2 times table. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. So student, directly 8 goes in 2 times table. So 2 fours are 8. So we have written here 8. Then we have to do the subtraction. Means 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Okay. So student, so what is the age of Shruti then? Yes. So Shruti's age is 4 years old. Okay. So student, here the next sum now. A rope has a length of 16 meters. If a 3/4 length is to be cut off, what length should be marked off from one end? Okay. Now student, first we will find what is 3/4. Yes, of course it's a 16 meter. 16 meters. Okay. So here the half, it will be 8 meters. Half is equal to 8 meter. And now the quarter, it will be 4 meters. Okay. Quarter is equal to 4 meters. Then the half plus quarter. Half is 8 and quarter is 4 meters. Okay. Half is 8 meters and quarter is 4 meters. So student, half plus quarter is equal to 12 meters will be quarters. Okay. Then student, now we have to subtract 3/4 from total length. See here student, 3/4 from total length. So 3/4 is 12. Yes, we got here 12 now. So 3/4 is 12. Yes, we have to subtract from total length. What is total length here? 16 meters. Yes, so 16 meter minus 12 is equal to 4 meters. Okay. So student, here the next sum. How much is each of the following? So the first sum is here. Half of a 24-meter length of a cloth. So student, we have to find out the half length of a cloth, that is 24 meters. So if we do 24 meter ka half, then what we will get? We have to find out that. Okay. So here student, 24 divided by 2. So here we have to write 24 and outside 2. Okay. So student, here you can see this is 2. Okay, and the first number is 2 here. Yes, we have to divide by 2. So in 2 times table 2 goes, yes, 2 ones are 2. Okay, and this 4 we will take down here. Okay, now let us see, 4 goes in 2 tables or no? Yes, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So 2 twos are is 4 here. Okay, so we got, so 2 twelves are 24. Okay, means 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So 4 minus 4 is 0. Okay, and here 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay, so we got our answer. So 24 meter length of a cloth means half of a cloth is 12. So the length of a half cloth is 12 meter. Okay, here the last sum. 3/4 of 40 kilograms of sugar. So student, we have to find out 3/4 of 40 kilograms of sugar by using half, quarter and 3/4. Okay. Student, yes, first we will do the division. Okay. Means we will divide 40 by 2. Okay. So 40 we will write here and 2 here. Okay. What is the first number here? 4. So let us find out 4 goes all 2 table or no. Okay. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So 2 twos are is 4 here. Okay. So we have written 4 here. Then 4 minus 4 is 0. Yes. 2 twos are 4. And here this 0 we will take down here. Okay. So here which number it is? 0. So 2 zeros are 0. Yes. So we got here 0. So 0 minus 0 is 0. Okay. So student, yes, we got here 20. Yes. This is half. Now let us come here. So student, half plus quarter is equal to 3/4. We have to find out 3/4. Yes. So 20 plus 10 is equal to 30. So it's 30 kilograms of sugar. Okay. So student, here the homework time now. Okay. Student, solve the following sums. You have to solve this 5 sums and post it in your WhatsApp classroom. Okay. Do not copy, solve from your side. Okay. So student, I hope everyone had understood the lesson very well. Okay. Thank you.